Hello everybody, it's Trevor Selescu again, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Are you excited for our upcoming Warhammer Age of Sigmar Tournament coming on May 25th, 2019? Well, I sure am, and I've just finished printing off our scenarios. Now, a little while ago, I told you what Scenario 1 would be about, so today we are going to be doing Scenario 2, which is A Knife to the Heart. And this comes out of the General's Handbook on page 50, the 2018 version. So of course you'll need to bring your General's Handbook to the tournament. So as you know, Knife to the Heart, it's basic, pretty basic. I've reduced these from the 6-player or 4x6 tables. For our tournament we're only doing 1,000 points, so 4x4s. I had to redraw the map. And of course the printer is running out of ink, so it's a little bit funny. It looks like fire, actually. It's pretty cool, since we're in Akshi, the realm of fire. Anyway, so I've added a bit into this. The main thing is here, but on our battlefield, the battle takes place at the burning catacombs in the realm of fire. Set up the battle using the provided scenery pieces from the Monster Hobbies scenery inventory. 2, count them 2, baleful realm gates are placed facing each other 18 inches away from the table edges along the borderline separating the two armies. So there's the border. The objectives are here and here, but there's going to be these 2 realm gates that are in there. Now I have to build up some realm gates because I actually only own 2. I need to come up with another 6, so I will be building those out of styrofoam, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing later. Okay, so where I've added in here is from the Burning Catacombs, Balance of Power, pages 62 and 63. Fire gates. All of the baleful realm gates found in the Burning Catacombs are linked to a massive realm gate that lies at the heart of the volcano. This makes travel through the gates impossible. The fire slayers use these fire gates to fuel the great forges that lie at the heart of their realm. The following rule applies to baleful realm gates in this area of the burning catacombs instead of the rules on their war scroll. Call forth lava seraphs. In your hero phase, roll a dice for each priest from your army that is within 6 inches of a baleful realm gate. If the priest is within that many inches of a baleful realm gate, then it is able to call forth these 6 lava seraphs. Each lava seraph can inflict a mortal wound on any enemy unit within 18 inches of the priest. The priest can split the seraph's attacks between several enemy units or direct them all against only a single target as they wish. So that adds a little heat to our battle. Haha! Anyway, stay tuned in these videos for the 3rd scenario of the day, which will be Blood and Glory. So if you want to attend this event, do not forget that it is 1,000 points. The entry is $10 per player. The prize pool is $100, 50 for first, 30 for second, 20 for third. It's going to be a lot of fun. And it starts 10 a.m. right down at Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. So we look forward to seeing you then.